Yeah, my people, I greet all of now. I greet you, everybody. I know they carry, they come out, they talk. You be like say, I know, you understand. So share this video, make it go viral. Uh, put your opinion for the comment section, put like, and share and make it go viral. It get one video when I go across from online. And they see now I call the thread for line. Who be that one? I don't tell where this man buy. And when they alive, nobody come and say, na he dey walk closer with her. Na he dey carry new person come for her. Wey be say man, he never even break he rules. You understand? So now, after many years wey e take by, na everybody come out say, dey talk say e dey use dem dey bring fresh soporodo for am wey e take dey renew e taste. So nobody go fit talk im matter. Make we talk am like that. Nobody go fit talk im matter say because e dey powerful. Now na where e kpai, now una go fit talk im matter. Now una fit give her time. One woman come out say e carry pikin go there. Na TV Joshua dey talk so. E carry pikin go there. And the pikin na e no come follow her come. At the end of the day, he wrote message for her. Tell her say na so e be. If na so God say you go take pass, na e pass so. If you not take care, another thing go pass there. You know one thing where I see about Christianity, number one, they jealous themselves. Number two, everybody they want see vision. Who God did not call, he go call God. Who sabi dey speak tongue, he go say, in na this one, in na man of God. The person go start e life. He go dey perform wetin he not supposed to dey perform. People go dey come. This very man, when I dey talk in matter so, everybody for Nigeria or the whole world, people dey buy ticket down on Sunday wey dem wan take go Lagos, go this very man church, make dem go church for there. This the same man so, this TV Joshua so. And this man, everybody dey like am. Everybody dey go there, go carry anointing oil. If you wan go anointing oil, you go take appointment. You go take many things down, so that if you reach the day wey you go there, you go quick enter there. You no go just carry go there, you no go see chance stay enter am. And the same man, everybody dey. Na the same man kpai today, wey one man come out dey talk say, now he was called for a very poor family. Joshua come carry am, help am, baff am up. Come carry am, baff am up, show am love. Because they use you, they work. Which work? you dey work follow am. That time you dey work am o. You no carry am come and say you wan talk im matter for all the whole world because e very dey powerful. Now after Ikpai you come out for television, for wherever, then another woman come out, na he dey work, dey come for her, dey carry no dignity, dey come for her, fresh one dey come for her, no temper, carry come for her because it's very powerful. You no fit talk im matter hide. You are working close with her well. You no gree come out go talk say this work when I dey work follow you, I no go fit do am again. You continue dey do the work. That means you see am na be your God. That's why you no fit talk. Abi e kutu dey this man wey say he was poor before. That's why because he was poor, his background was poor, he no fit speak out. He no fit talk. Based on say if he talk, his background he was very poor. Nobody go save am because the man he was very lie. So nobody go fit talk him matter. Ama una dey talk God matter o. Na remember o. Una dey talk God matter. Okay, now the thing I wan ask una again. Una be think say after TV Joshua don kpai, una go carry a church, na una go dey rule the church. Na make una no talk since then. So because una dey work close with am, because una dey follow am anywhere wey dey go, na you with am dey sleep the same bed, na you with them dey wake up. Anywhere wey Joshua dey, na una with am dey there because una closer with am well because after he left he will leave the church for una. Am I right? So he no get son, he no get daughter, he no get anybody wey go take over a position. Now Ikpai, now his wife, I think na his wife dey us in movement of a position of TV Joshua be. Now like the thing wey una first dey do now, una come see say the woman go call una say okay, make this man wey come for poor family so make he take over or the office. Now nobody say that his wife will continue for the ministry. Now that one could be the problem now wey una come out na say una wan talk out na wetin be the problem before una come out come talk. Na me come ask una. You say you no fit talk. Wetin be the problem now? Wetin una go talk now? Una go talk say the church e be promise una say after Ikpai na una go take over the church. Ama him wife no let una take over the church. Na make una cause carry the matter come out because this is the man where all the whole world dey see as God. This is the man wey be say everybody. I watch this thing that very day, the day wey evil kpai, wey I dey see people, the way TV Joshua take start life, how he take start, he go dey even dey check, see erosion for this thing, for where he church that time, he dey fold cloth like this, wey he take dey help, that's wey he take dey help people make dem fit cross. Rain, he dey serve food, dey give a member. Now after he buy now una take come out. Now una go fit come talk now. No, you know wetin dey there. This thing comot for Nigeria. if a person get money, if they do something wey be say e no good, nobody go fit talk. You go say e no go fit talk. Ama na why e go buy na now una fit talk him matter na. Okay, what about as una dey talk him matter na? Him wife no go fit arrest na? Yes. Him wife no go fit do am. Abi wife no get the power again. Why be say I no know this is where be say Christian people I no understand una. Make una learn. Make una learn. Make una learn things. Make una learn how to brace una self. Christianity today e get as e be. Everywhere church. You go even see canopy, church. You go even see order of step, church. Based on say I wan make money, I wan rich, I wan do this one. So people wey be say dem dey watch una, they don tire. Na here miracle dey, na so everybody dey run dey go. Na here miracle dey, everybody begin dey run. Wetin dey sup? Wetin dey happen? No say if the person dey talk now, they say be like say this one na make it dey talk all those one. No, I no dey against of Christian. Never. I no be God. Ama wetin una dey do una self e no good. Make una love una self. Make una sit down, make una dey reason well. Na no dey reason good. Somebody wey this man see by ama all of una na so una dey cry. Una wan use the water wey dem even take baff herself, take dey baff una self. Make una see grace. Una wan use even the coffee wey dem even take carry herself. Una wan enter, una wan touch am. Everybody believe say when you touch am, you go get the blessing. You go get the blessing. Ama una never talk this. Why be say una be God? Now una wan judge am. This man wey una dey judge today nana, e don kpai. E don go meet Baba God. Why una no let Baba God judge am? If una come cry, come meet una for head for this life, say may all the old pastor change. Una go know say TV Joshua don cry, come and say may pastor change. Una no wait for God. Una no wait for am. Una begin dey talk after many years. What is the wetin call dey sup? If una no wan do Christian, una better talk say una no wan do Christian. It's more better that they say person do this one, person do this one. Wetin dey sup for Christian people? This is the way we be say I no hate them, mama. They are doing. I no like they are doing. They are doing. I no like am. I no feel like you. Okay, see where we dey na. They say you travel nana. You say you no dey hear the people language. They get church. Bo oyibo wey be say they call. If church oyibo they get the as in Nigeria get different language. Now oyibo, so they speak English, so they speak Dutch, so they say that they see they stay for one country. All of them they go one country church, only one country church. That country na be church where go dey exist. The rest, if they do am, not be say they go dey challenge say na a church good pass. Ama that Catholic na everybody know. The rest church nobody know am. Ama Nigeria, even Catholic self, you no even know am for Nigeria self. Different church na full Nigeria. You go see the one wey tie red, you go see the one wey tie yellow, you go see the one wey tie black, you go see the one wey tie blue. Church of Nigeria talk to whether na this thing I go say e be or script or I no know for them. Wetin dey sup? That's why I say our leaders they do wetin they like. Because if they come and say make they use them, after they use the finish, may everybody go because they no call they dem know the way wey be say dem dey confuse everybody, dem dey use all